Growing up, I traveled a lot and I got to experience a lot of the environment, and over time I got to see the change in that environment, and I really wanted to do something about it, so I went into marine and freshwater biology. At RBG we have a lot of activities. We do electrofishing, collecting YOY fish, which is young of the year, and we also e-fish for carp removal. We run the fishway, which is a carp exclusion barrier to prevent carp from entering into the marsh and damaging the ecosystem.
We really depend on our summer staff to help us get through all the work that we do. The wetlands are about 400 hectares in size. The wetland restoration projects at RBG are one of the largest of its kind. We started in 1993. Started with the fishway and really trying to exclude carp from the marsh. Our marshes are spawning and nursery grounds for those fish that live in the lake. When we do our monitoring, we can compare numbers for past years and see how we're tracking for meeting our targets.
Planting plants is really important in the marsh. We not only plant to increase the amount of plants we have, but we bring back some of the native species that are not found here anymore. We actually have pens that we have built that we seeded with wild rice, and we are trying to bring the wild rice back to the marsh.
We're at the mouth of the river system, and we get everything that comes down from the watershed, all those impacts. Water quality is a big one. If we have a healthy marsh system with lots of plants, we can kind of withstand those storms and maintain that habitat for the fish and wildlife so they can continue to thrive.
While working at the fishway, I had the opportunity to witness a spotted gar, which is a species at risk, and only 500 have ever been caught. The summer student program has been very beneficial to me because I get a lot of hands-on field work. The team here has been here for a really long time, and this is their home, and you can definitely see that in their work.
We're very grateful to have these relationships with HOPA and other local donors to support our work. I've seen a huge difference in the almost 20 years that I've been at RBG, and it's amazing the habitat that we have, and the wildlife just comes back. When the plants are growing, the wildlife just shows up.
RBG is a very large ecosystem, but it is very small compared to all of Canada. Even just making a small difference here at RBG is really important to me.